In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated credit cards specifically designed for bad credit. So without any further ado, let's dive in and find out. On number 1, we have Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. It is a popular choice as it doesn't require a credit check, which can be helpful if your credit history has significant challenges. It requires a refundable security deposit, typically starting at $200. With a low annual fee of $35, it's designed for straightforward rebuilding without the need to undergo a hard inquiry. On number 2, we have Credit One Platinum Visa for Rebuilding Credit. It is an unsecured card available to those with poor credit, offering 1% cash back on eligible purchases. Although it has an annual fee that ranges from $75 to $99 depending on your creditworthiness, it's valuable for those wanting a rewards card while improving credit. Additionally, it provides credit limit increment over time for cardholders who consistently make on-time payments, making it a suitable choice for those seeking a traditional card without a security deposit. Lastly, on number 3, we have Discover It Secured Credit Card. This card stands out because it includes a cashback program, a 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants, plus 1% on other purchases. It also allows users to transition to an unsecured card with Discover after a period of responsible usage, making it ideal for those seeking rewards with the potential to upgrade as their credit score improves. Overall, each of these cards has its own advantages depending on your goals, whether it's avoiding a credit check, earning rewards, or ultimately qualifying for a higher credit limit as your credit score improves. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.